buyer, in your contract, you have got a due diligence period to complete all of the inspections, review the seller's disclosures and other disclosures associated with the property and get your loan intact. Hi, I am Sumashri, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. If you find out something that bothers you about the house you want to buy, here is what to do next. First, if it is just little things that are wrong, try not to make a big deal out of it. Asking for too many fixes might annoy the person selling the house and could even delay your closing. However, if there is a big issue like something that could be unsafe or really expensive to fix like a leaking roof or windows or roots in pipes, you have to decide what to do next. You can ask the person selling the house to fix the items. You can ask them to lower the price or ask them to give you a credit to help with the cost. But this depends on what type of loan you are getting and what the market is doing. Is it a seller's or buyer's market? A seller's market means a lot of people want to buy houses, but there are not many houses for sale. If you find a big problem like termites that would cost a lot to get rid of, the seller might not want to help to pay for it because they have other people who are willing to buy the house and incur the cost themselves. If you really want the house, you might have to suck it up and pay to have the termites taken care of. But in a buyer's market, there are a lot of houses for sale and not many people buying. You have much better chance of getting the seller to fix big problems or to help to pay for them because they want to sell their house also. In the best case, the person selling the home has already had inspections done and fixed any big problems like health and safety issues or major repairs like termite, dry rot, roof or window leak. This makes it easier for you because you know the house is in good condition when you buy it. It also helps to ensure that your loan will go through. Oftentimes, depending on the loan type, the lender may have what is called lender required repairs that have to be completed before the bank will fund the loan. This is one of the details your agent and lender should know and tell you about prior to going into the contract so that you and your deposit stay safe. An experienced listing agent often advises the seller to have all the major inspections done prior to putting the home on the market, although it is very rare. By doing this means there will be no surprises to the buyer or the seller once you go into contract that could affect the home closing. It saves lot of heartache and money down the line. Once inspections are done and disclosures reviewed and further negotiations for things like repairs are complete, you are very close to getting the keys to your home. Once again, this is Sumashri, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers, sellers and investors with integrity and excellence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.